With 9 points, we have Whatdafunday. 13 points, and
Whatdafunday?
14 points.
Spoke. Yo, Whatdafunday fam. Today, we're taking you to an adventure to the LA River. But not just any stroll by the water. We're hopping on some bikes. Ang galing magbabike nito, hindi tumitingin sa dinadaanan. Ay, hindi pala. Exploring the trails and checking out all the cool things you can do here. We're gonna ride through some awesome paths, soak in the views, and see what makes this place more than just a river. There's art, history, and some hidden gems we might uncover along the way. So if you're looking for a fun spot to explore in LA, stick around because this might be your next adventure. Let's get rolling! Now we're 5! Yeah. Oh, it's a skateboard area.
How do you try it?
Okay. Bakit hindi sa street? River. No. Mystery place. What do we have here? Let's see. What is that? This is somewhere near the LA River. It's like a park. There's a bathroom. That's a good thing. And a park. Nice. A secret park. Where's the baby? Jig. What the heck? What's that?
What?
What's that?
Water.
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 That's a river. Yes, we're here at LA River. Spoke Bicycle Café.
Gotcha.
What's that, Daniel? Best fishes?
What fish? Diamond egg. Can I try it, Daddy?
Yeah.
It's blue. It's lemon.
With 9 points, we have Whatdafunday. 13 points, and
Whatdafunday?
14 points.
Whatdafunday?
17 points, Little Miss Honey. We have tinfoil hats and pink pony club. 23, 11.50.
The biggest teaspoon ever.
And we also have
What's that, Dad?
the Divas and Christina. And for a common dream next.
Upset.